is here. Lucas. Trey is here. Franco, Teng, and Alex. Franco is here also. Okay. So kids, Cassie, Elena, Lucas. After Lucas is Trey. Trey, you are the fourth. Fourth, the Trey. And then Franco. Franco. Five. And then six. Okay. So kids, you will give the balloon to Raiden. And then after giving it, maybe you can give your wish for him. Okay?
Happy birthday, Raiden. God bless you. Happy birthday, Raiden. I hope you have a good future. Happy birthday, Raiden. I wish you have a good life. Always praying to God. God bless you.
Wow.